So now we have played 3 Alankarams. The first one was Chatustajadi, Druvatalam. Second one was Chatustajadi, Matyatalam. Third one was Chatustajadi, Rupakatalam. Now is where the change happens. The fourth one is Tisra Jadi, Triputatalam. Right? Tisra means 3. Right? So it goes this way: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Similar to Aditalam, just that in Aditalam the first one would be 4. Here it is 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sariga, sariga, ma, riga, ma, riga, ma, pa, ga, ma, pa, ga, ma, pa, da, ma, pa, da, ma, pa, da, ni, pa, da, ni, pa, da, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, ni, da, pa, ma, da, pa, ma, ga, pa, ma, ga, ri, ma, ga, ri. Now I'll try it for you without gamakam first and then with gamakam. Okay, now with Gamaka I play, have a look. So until now we have played 4 Alankarams: Chatustra Jadi, Rupakatalam, Chatustra Jadi, Druvatalam, Chatustra Jadi, Matyatalam, then Tisra Jadi, Triputatalam. I will put it one by one for you. Chatustra Jadi, Druvatalam was the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then Chatustra Jadi, Matyatalam, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chatustra Jadi, Rupakatalam, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then Tisra Jadi, Triputatalam, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we are going to be playing Misra Jadi Jampatalam. Misra means 7. So Misra Jadi Jampatalam goes this way: Sari ga sari sari ga ma. You will have to come all the way till the first finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 1, 2. Sari ga sari sari ga ma. Ri ga ma pa Gama pa gama pa da ma pa da ma pa da ni pa da ni sa ni da pa ni da pa ma da pa ma ga pa ma ga re ma ga re sa. Now I played for you. Just have a look. This could be slightly different from the previous ones because we are going all the way till the 7th note. Right. Let me play it for you. Just have a look. Without Gamaka I will play and then with Gamaka I will play. Here Ma needs sustain, the last swara. Now I play with Gamaka, you can have a look. So now we played misra jadi jampatalam.